Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the Ellipse Markup tool in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, ensure that your Snap to Content feature is enabled. If your toolbar is enabled, you will find your Ellipse tool on the toolbar, aligned along the side or top of your workspace. Or go to the Tools menu and under the Markup section, you will find your Ellipse tool. Click to select it or use its shortcut key E. Now click and drag to apply the markup and release the click once your shape is complete. Use the blue-colored handle at the top to rotate the shape. Drag to the left to rotate it anti-clockwise and to the right to rotate clockwise. Let's rotate it clockwise by 90 degrees. Use yellow squares at the top or bottom to resize it vertically. Use yellow squares at the right or left to resize your markup horizontally. If you drag any of these handles while holding the Shift key, your ellipse dimensions will be constrained to a perfect circle. The yellow-colored circular handles along the diagonals are used to resize your ellipse freely. With the Shift key pressed, you can resize it into a circle. You can also draw a perfect circle using the Shift key. Select the Ellipse tool, hold the Shift key, then click and drag to apply a perfect circle markup with each point at surface equidistance from the center. Go to the Markup editor at the top to change the line color, line thickness, fill color, and transparency of your markup for consistent design and annotation workflows across teams. Click and drag the shape to reposition it anywhere on your PDF plan. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.